In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to Xero quickly and easily. If you're looking to streamline your business's finances, linking Shopify to Xero can save you tons of time and help you avoid headaches when it comes to accounting. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to connect both platforms and how Xero works to manage your financials. Stick around because I'll also share an exclusive bonus for you to get started for free. First off, let's quickly talk about Xero. If you're new to Xero, it's an incredibly powerful cloud-based accounting software that helps businesses manage their finances. It's designed to streamline processes like invoicing, payroll, and financial reporting, all in one place. If you're using Shopify to run your online store, linking it to Xero lets you sync your sales data and automate many of your accounting tasks, keeping everything up to date without the need to manually enter each transaction. Now, let's walk through the steps to connect Shopify to Xero. The first thing you need to do is set up an account with both platforms, of course. You'll need an active Shopify account and a Xero account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Xero Marketplace. Search for the Shopify integration app, which is called Xero for Shopify. This is the tool that will allow you to connect the two platforms. Once you've found the app, click on Get and follow the prompts to install it. The process is simple. You'll be asked to authorize the connection, and once that's done, you can select which Shopify store you want to sync with Xero. When the sync is complete, your Shopify sales data, including orders, taxes, and payments, will be automatically imported into Xero. After connecting, you can configure how you'd like your financial data to flow between the two platforms. For example, you can choose how to record taxes, which accounts to use for income and expenses, and even how to manage payments. Xero allows you to automate these entries, so you don't have to worry about manually matching transactions each month. This integration doesn't just save time, it also reduces errors and provides a clearer picture of your business's financial health. Plus, with the sync setup, you can create detailed financial reports, track cash flow, and even forecast for the future. And the best part? You get to focus more on growing your business and less on keeping your books straight. Now here's the best part. For those of you watching, you can use Xero for free through the exclusive link in the description below. That's right, you can start managing your finances like a pro without spending a dime. And as a special bonus, when you sign up through this link, you'll get extended free trial access, giving you more time to explore everything Xero has to offer. So to recap, connecting Shopify to Xero is a game changer when it comes to simplifying your accounting. You can sync sales data, automate workflows, and get a clearer view of your business finances. If you haven't already, make sure to grab your free trial through the link below and start enjoying these benefits today. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Sign up and start working smarter, not harder.